Alright, we got another install for the Civic. We're going from this gauge cluster to HX or LX with the tachometer. First step, what we're going to do is unscrew the two bolts right here, or screws I mean. There's one right there and one right there. You're going to need one of these short screwdrivers. Boom. Okay, here's the two screws. Alright, so it came out. I'm just gonna put that down. And then right here we have a screw here, up there. I guess it's missing a screw, but also another one right there. And then after that we should be able to pull this out. Alright, here goes the first screw out. We do have a screw up here, I just wasn't looking at the right one. Okay, now let's gently pull it out. And then looks like we got a couple of tabs that you squeeze on and pull out to release the thing. So alright, there we go. The dash is out. See if it looks pretty much the same. Yeah, it does. Pretty similar. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this back here. Okay, there goes one. Oh, two. And the last one's gonna be this yellow plug right here, but I need to move down my steering wheel some more. Or, no, it just won't fit. Well, okay, now let's try and see if everything works on here. Oh, looks like it pretty much all works. On a side note, if you guys ever needed to change the mileage on one of these clusters, first thing you do is you take out the front cover. It's just held in with clips. You kind of just push it in and pull it out around slowly. Take off this one. It's also held in with just clips on the side. Take off this front cover right here, just like that. And to take out this right here on the back, it's 4 screws right here, right in the middle. I'll just take it out to show you. Alright, you can't really see it, but on this spider gear that's connected to the front dial, you just want to push that down. I did it with a small little flathead. Same thing on the other side. Then you can get your little flathead and just ring the numbers up and down to whatever you need. And then after that, put everything back in reverse process. Alright, so I just put the screws back on, so it's holding the speedo. Boom. Next, just put on the front glass and you're all done. Okay, so now we're just gonna snap it back in. 1, 2, and this last one I have to fish it back in and install it backwards. Alright. Now we're just gonna place it back there. And I'm gonna test it again just to make sure everything works after I took it apart. That's way prettier. Alright, it works. So one screw there, two screws up there. Put on that piece, 2 screws, and you should be good. Alright, now installing this last trim piece right here. OEM as fuck. That's it. Yeehaw. Bye.